And every year, people give us garbage.
What do you mean garbage?
It's funny because I will clarify.
And other stuff.
Yeah. What is garbage?
Yeah. Well, I will clarify because it's clutter clarity. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this week, I came across an article about what not to donate to thrift stores, and it just got me thinking about the garbage that people give us at rummage sales. So first, I'll tell you some of the things that thrift stores don't want.
Uh-huh.
And it's interesting because every thrift store is going to be different. For example, most thrift stores won't take appliances, stoves, refrigerators, but Restore will.
Yes.
So it kind of depends on, what you have, but call ahead. So, for example, one time I had a ton of folders and binders, like school and office things,
Mm-hmm.
and I had boxes of them, drove them to Salvation Army, and they said no.
Huh.
They said, we don't want that.
Wow.
So, I thought, who wouldn't want that, right?
Sure.
Very interesting. So what Salvation Army's policy was at the time, and I haven't been there since, was they will go through your donations first. Like if you have a big truckload of stuff, they'll kind of look and go, yeah, we're not going to take that, we're not going to take that.
So they pick and choose.
Yeah, that's when I
choose.
stopped going to them because it's either you get the truck or you don't get the truck. You're not picking and choosing. It's not a garage sale. It's a donation.
Right.
Deal with it.
Right.
That's exactly right. So a lot of people might not know this, so you fill up your whole truck with things, and you're like, ooh, now what do I do with the items? So that was kind of an interesting thing. Everybody, when I am organizing homes, they're like, look at this great set of encyclopedias. Nobody wants them. Half price is not going to take them. Schools don't want them. So that's unfortunately one of those things. You're just going to have to recycle, bite the bullet. And you have to figure if you don't want the item, it's hard to say because, of course, there's a lot of good things, but something like encyclopedias people aren't going to want. Goodwill posts on their website a list of items that they will and won't accept.
Uh-huh.
Personal care items, shampoos, lotions, makeup, creams, that kind of stuff, they don't want.
No.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. Who'd want open or used or whatever? That's just creepy.
Yeah. Icky bad.
You know what? I agree it's creepy, but I'll tell you, when I used to work at estate sales,
Uh-huh.
oh my gosh, we would put a price on every single item in the house.
Yeah.
Everything, like a Band-Aid, everything. And people would come in and buy all that stuff.
Get out.
Yeah, so cleaning products. You'd have half-used bottles of cleaning products, half-used spray cans of, Lysol. You would put, which to me is so ridiculous, but you'd put like a quarter because you have to sell everything, and people would buy that stuff up like crazy. So it's just a matter of, not to say know your market,
cents.
but...
Yeah. Wow.
Right. So, if you're listening and you're like, man, I like that kind of stuff, estate sales is the place to go, not to Goodwill. But getting back to the garbage stuff is people think a church rummage sale or whatever will just take your crap. Can I say crap, Andrew?
You just did.
Yeah.
Yes, that is borderline, but it's okay.
All right.
So they will scoop up your sidewalk chalk. Somebody will scoop up sidewalk chalk, and all the little bits and pieces that are just nubs?
Uh-huh.
They'll donate it to the rummage sale. I don't want the little nub.
Nice.
I don't want your junk drawer dumped out and I have to sort through your pennies and your broken pencils and your crayons. So clothes that are filled with cat hair, they just go right in the garbage can.
Oh.
I know, I hear them.
Thanks, Robbie. We'll be back right after this.
Mighty House will return.